Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to grow beautiful iris flowers. First, select a spot that receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. Good drainage is crucial, so consider amending heavy clay soils with organic matter. Plant your iris rhizomes in late summer or early autumn, spacing them about 12 to 18 inches apart. Make sure the top of the rhizome is either exposed or just barely covered by soil for proper establishment. This initial step is key to a thriving iris garden. Once your irises are planted, consistent care will ensure their beauty. Water them regularly during their first year to help establish a strong root system. After that, they are quite drought tolerant, needing extra water only during prolonged dry spells. In early spring, apply a balanced fertilizer with a low nitrogen content, such as a 5-10-10 formula, to encourage blooms without excessive foliage. Remember to deadhead spent flowers to keep your garden looking tidy and promote more blossoms. Even with the best care, irises can face a few challenges. The most common pest is the iris borer, which tunnels into rhizomes. Inspect your plants regularly for signs of damage and remove any affected parts. Good air circulation is vital to prevent fungal diseases like leaf spot. Avoid overcrowding your plants. If you notice any diseased foliage, promptly remove and discard it to prevent further spread. Early detection and action are your best defense. To keep your iris plants vigorous and blooming abundantly, division is essential every 3 to 5 years. When clumps become too dense, flowering can decrease. The best time to divide is in late summer, after flowering has finished. Carefully dig up the entire clump, separate the rhizomes, and discard any old, woody, or diseased sections. Replant the healthy, younger rhizomes, ensuring proper spacing. This simple task will rejuvenate your plants and guarantee many more years of stunning blooms.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.